Hi everyone, let's solve this tricky math problem. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Next, drop the 8 minus 4 in parentheses and drop the divided by 2. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Keep the parentheses, drop the 3 and drop the divided by 2. 3 times 4 equals 12. Drop the divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And the answer is not 6. Let's try this. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 8 minus 4 divided by 2. 3 times 8 equals 24. Drop the minus 4 divided by 2, and 24 minus 4 equals 20. Drop the divided by 2, and 20 divided by 2 equals 10. And the answer is not 10. Let me show you how to solve this tricky math problem using PEMDAS. And yes, you solve the math problem from left to right within each level. Division is a high level, but what's in parentheses has more priority than division. And you can see that in this table. P parentheses is the highest level. Addition and subtraction, both operation within its own level, is the lowest level. And division and multiplication are above the lowest level, but parentheses the highest level. So we start with 8 minus 4, which equals 4. Keep the parentheses. Next, drop the 6 divided by 2. Also drop the divided by 2 on the right side. Next, 6 divided by 2 goes first, not 2 times 4, because you solve the math problem from left to right. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Drop the 4 in parentheses, divided by 2, and then 3 times 4 is 12. Don't start with 4 divided by 2 because you will get the right answer, but you solve it from left to right. So just stick with that rule, left to right. And 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, if you would have done 4 divided by 2, I'll just write it here. And notice that 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. So you would have got the right answer either way. But remember, you solve the math problem from left to right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.